like NASCAR.
Last year, we started this program. The idea was to teach kids about kindness and how one simple act of kindness just can start a chain reaction. So you have the idea of a domino run. One domino knocks over the other, and it starts the chain reaction. So if each kid would bring one box of cereal, their act of kindness was included, and they can see how their one box of cereal made the whole thing happen. So we collected, I think, 1,663 boxes, and they're going to the North Texas Food Bank. We cannot wait. The big truck is going to come next week to the school. The kids will get to see that, and I think that's really impactful for them to see that the cereal is going out into the community and to know about the North Texas Food Bank.